Okay, it's time to get my work done. Do 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 do. Oh, Helena, why do you look like Zelda? La la la. Are you serious? Zelda? Anthony? Zelda, really? Yeah, you look like Zelda. No, I'm Princess Peach. Peach? Why are you dressed like Peach, though? Because we saw the Super Mario movie. Maybe you and someone else, and not me? We all went together. But where was I? Well, I thought you were there. Hold on. You said you thought I was there. Shiz. Are you right, Wolfie? Yeah, you are kind of like that. Sometimes in real life. Creative mode on. Oh, it's Lloyd too. Dude. How's my copycat doing this better than me? Oh, good, good. You're gonna be Super Mario. What about Atlas? Oh, I'm Daisy. I'm Everest, Rainbow, Annabelle, like cherries. Oh, and I put this on me so fast. It looks so adorable. Fit. What about me? Oh yeah, the villain of Freedom. Kelly, just go. Darn it. Oh, and Hobbs is in the background along with Roxton. Who else is in the movie with you? Everyone. Thought we all went together. Apparently you didn't. It's kind of a good question. Why if I was you? Oh, I gotta pick up my, daughter, Red Panda or whatever. Are you? Bonding with Red Panda? No, her hand was felt small. I didn't know. Who you got familiar other than me?